Burgers are one of my favourite meals, and no burger is complete without some homemade wedges.
So today we're going to make some spicy chicken burgers with some homemade thick chunky wedgies and some apple slaw.
So let's get cracking. Marinate the chicken in the peri peri garlic sauce.
And then in a jug combine the oil, spices, salt and garlic.
These are the ingredients you'll need for the apple slaw.
For the spicy dip, add the mayo and the hot sauce together. In a pan, add the coconut oil and cook the chicken for 15 minutes.
And there you have it, a delicious dish. I think it's lunchtime now.